have some exciting DIYs today for this Easter. I hope you enjoy it, and if it's like that, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Today I have this particle board that I will be recycling along with this colorful paper that I got at Michael's. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this to size, and then using some stick glue, I will be gluing it to the particle board. Using the Jenga blocks, I'm going to be gluing 6 together and then another set of 4 to create my frame. And with this shoe polish, I'm going to be distressing it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start hot gluing it to the particle board and start creating my frame. I'm going to be mixing brown and khaki together, and that's how I am going to be painting my bunny rabbit. You guys can use whatever color you desire. These are the colors that I chose. And now using some chew twine, I'm going to be creating a little bow. I'm going to hot glue it to the bunny. I also have some buttons and I will be choosing one of them and hot gluing it to the top of the bow. So now I'm going to be distressing it with the khaki color just to give it a little bit of definition. I'm going to take another piece of Jenga and hot glue it to the bunny and to the frame. I have this leftover grass that I'm going to be cutting several pieces, and that's what I'm going to be using as the weed for my little carrot. Now I'm going to hot glue it to the frame. And with some jute twine and these wooden beads, that's how I'm going to hang my picture frame. Using these popsicle sticks from Dollar Tree, I will be using it to reinforce it. And once that is done, I also have this little beady butterfly from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna be putting it in the corner only because there's a gap and I'm trying to hide it. I hope you enjoy it. These are the 3 colors that I will be painting these beads. Green, pink, and white. You can use whatever colors you want. Now that they are all dry, with some jute twine, I will be putting them together. I didn't show you because there's nothing to it. Now that the garland is done, I'm going to go ahead and brush it just to make it look more fluffier. And let's go ahead and give it a small haircut. I have a carrot that I will be painting with this pink chalk paint. Again, you could use whatever colors you want. This is the color that I chose. I'm going to be giving 1 coat, the front and the back, and this is the way it looks. And with these transferable letters from Dollar Tree, I'm going to be spelling the word hop. These colors are beautiful all put together. I'm going to go ahead and distress this carrot just a bit with some white chalk paint, and this is the way it came out. I hope you enjoy it. I have this vase from Dollar Tree, and I will continue to use the same pink chalk color from Waverly. I'm going to paint the inside. Once that is completely painted, I have these beautiful stickers from Dollar Tree, and I will start sticking them on the vase wherever I think they look pretty. I will continue to dress it up with this beautiful ribbon from Dollar Tree as well. So I'm putting one strip on the top and two in the bottom. And I'm going to use this candle holder. I bought it at the secondhand store for 50 cents. And this is the way that it's turning out. Don't go away. Soon I will show you the final reveal. I hope you enjoy it. I also have this cylinder that I bought at Dollar Tree. I'm going to do the same process that I did to the first one. I'm going to paint it in the inside, but as you can see, it is a different shape. I also have more of these beautiful gold butterflies, and I will be putting them wherever I think it looks pretty. And I'm coming in with this beautiful ribbon, and I will put it on the top. I hope you enjoy these beautiful DIYs. These are the items that I will be using today. I got all of these at Dollar Tree. Now these letters, the H and the P, I got them at Michael's at a grab bag about 2 years ago. So to this piece of wood, I'm going to give 3 coats of this Waverly chalk paint. Once that is done, I'll put it to the side so I can continue to work with my other pieces. I'm going to take the plastic out of here, put it to the side, and with this adhesive vinyl paper, I'm going to be kind of like putting it on top and tracing it, or should I say just giving the shape of the piece of wood, cutting that to the size. But before I do that, I'm coming in with my Waverly chalk paint in pink, and I'm going to be painting, as you see, the border. Putting that to the side, I'm coming in with this pink color, and I will be painting the P and the H. And coming back to the piece of wood, or should I call it plaque, I'm going to be adhesing this vinyl paper on it. And with some jute twine, I am going to be putting it around the border so I can give it some definition. Now I'm coming back with this bunny. I'm also going to paint it with this acrylic pink color. I'm going to give it one coat, and once that is dry, I'm coming in with some more jute twine, making a little bowl and putting it right here. I think it's looking so pretty. I purchased these pom-poms, 80 in one bag, and I am going to go ahead and use it as the bunny tail. And with this baker's twine, I am going to wrap it around on both of the corners of this piece of wood. So now I'm going to start assembling everything together. I have these little wooden blocks from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be putting them right behind these letters with some hot glue. I'm going to do the same thing to the P and the bunny rabbit. As you can see, I'm sticking the bunny rabbit on top of the plaque. I think that looks so beautiful. Oh my God, I am loving it. So I have a popsicle stick that I will be hot gluing to the back of the plaque, and then I will be also hot gluing it to the piece of wood. Just keep watching so all of this can make sense. So I will be adding a couple of little branches of these beautiful lilac flowers along with this burlap rose from Dollar Tree. Once that is done, I'll wrap it around with some jute twine just to give it a little bit of definition. And I also have a little butterfly that I will be painting in white and putting it right on top of the plaque. I hope you enjoy this beautiful DIYs for Easter. I hope that I inspire you in some kind of way, and if I did, please consider subscribing, hitting that notification button. Like that, I will see you in my next video. I hope you enjoy.